Hello everyone! Today, let me introduce the threaded fitting wrapping machine. This model is designed for wrapping PTFE tape on threaded fittings ranging from 1/8 inch to 2 inches in size. At the front, there is a power switch. At the rear, there is a push rod adjustment mechanism to set the insertion depth of the fitting. On the back of the machine, you'll find the power input, available in 220 volts and 110 volts, and an air supply port. Let's open the top cover to look inside. Safety sensor. The machine will not operate if the cover is open while powered, ensuring user safety. Pressure gauge and regulator. Operating pressure should be set between 0.45 and 0.55 megapascals. Feeding cylinder, cutter, and clamping cylinder. These components work together to wrap and cut the tape. Now let's demonstrate with a 1/8 inch fitting. Measure the thread length and select the proper tape width. Choose a suitable trigger rod. Its outer diameter must not exceed that of the thread. Load the PTFE tape. Pull out a small portion to prepare. Insert the trigger rod and adjust the tape alignment to the thread position. Close the cover, press reset, and you're ready to go. The machine supports 3 languages: Chinese, English, and Korean. The operation interface shows the winding status, product count, and number of wraps. To begin, press the reset button. Simply insert the fitting until it touches the trigger rod. The machine will automatically wrap the tape. After removal, the tape is tightly wound. A standard wrap leaves 0.5 to 1 thread exposed. The result is neat, uniform, and durable, ready for long-term storage without loosening. When switching to a different fitting size, just replace the appropriate tape and trigger rod, adjust the winding position, close the cover, and press reset. Compared to manual wrapping, this machine delivers precise, consistent, and tightly wound results. It ensures exact wrap count and superior quality, making it ideal for high-efficiency